Here's a KUBOTA SVL97-2 forestry package. It's near new and nice as you're ever going to find. Not beat up, banged up, or anything. It's got your LOFTNESS cool flow on top. It's got the tab guard on it. It's got all your covers, back of the door, the guard. It's got your front utility hydraulics, cover guard. It's got your disconnect cover guards. It's got your deafening cover. All the latches are covered. It's got brand new rubber tracks on it, 18-inch, very, very expensive cube pattern tracks. A lot of things tied in the middle. It's got big time KUBOTA warranty. The whole machine's almost new, 300 and some hours, 370. It's got all your guards on it. Like I said, we put brand new Q pattern rubber tracks, 18-inch wide, severe duty tracks. Just put your guard on there. LOFTNESS cooler on top, got the can guard. You got your bulletproof front glass on it. Bluetooth audio, AM, FM, air conditioning, heat, backup camera, 374 hours, foot throttle, knob throttle also. It's got KUBOTA warranty on it, of course. There's the backup camera. Hydraulic disconnect right there. Got your AM, FM radio with Bluetooth right there. Got your air conditioned heater. If you look right here, still got the plastic on it. Here we go. There we go. Like brand new. very nice. It's got the big handles on it.